Hello everyone, this is Melina with CampaignTrackly, and today I am going to show you how easy and quick it is to transfer your SalesForce campaign information directly into CampaignTrackly with a few clicks. So this is our marketing campaigns dashboard, and this is where we will have your campaign populated when it's created. So I'm going to go to Salesforce right now. I'm going to click on campaigns. I'm going to create a new campaign, 2023, 06, 26, 0032, 0032. I am going to keep it as email, start date, end date. I'm going to have a campaign for acquisition in the description, and I'm going to hit save. Now that the campaign was created, I'm going to come back to CampaignTrackly. I'm going to refresh the screen. Oh, here you go. Email, campaign for acquisition, date created. This is the owner's ID. Campaign naming convention. This is the Salesforce ID. And when I click on create URL campaign, my URL campaign has been created. So if I go to the URL campaign dashboard, I will see my campaign created here, and I can immediately start adding links to it. And as you can see, my campaign name has been populated directly from the campaign naming convention. And that's all. Thank you for your time, and I hope that this has been helpful. Happy tracking. Bye.